So in the last class, we discussed about our lesson 2, plants around us, and up to the portion, types of plants according to the sizes. And which are the 5 types of plants, which are the 5 types of plants according to the sizes? They are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. So these are the 5 types of plants and they are classified on the basis of their sizes. And next we are going to study about another classification of plants on the basis of their habitat. Habitat means where they grow. Okay, so according to the basis of, on the basis of habitat, the plants are classified into 4 types. They are terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, desert plants and mountain plants. Okay, so based on the habitat, the plants are many types of plants including terrestrial plants, aquatic plants or water plants, mountain plants and desert plants. Okay, so let us see what are they. So according to the habitat, types of plants on the basis of their habitat. And on the basis of the habitat, plants are of different types including terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, then mountain plants and desert plants. So this is the spelling of these words. And the first one is terrestrial plants. So land plants. Okay, terrestrial plants. T E R R E S T R I A L. Terrestrial plants. E L A N T S. Terrestrial plants. And the second one, that is aquatic plants. A Q U A T I C. Aquatic plants. E L A N T S. Aquatic plants. Then desert plants. D E S E R T. Desert plants. E L A N T S. Desert plants. Then the fifth one, fourth one, that is mountain plants. M O U N types of plants on the basis of habitat. Terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, desert plants and mountain plants. Terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, desert plants and mountain plants. So the first one is terrestrial plants. So what is the spelling of the word terrestrial plants? T E R R E S T R I A L. Terrestrial plants. P L A N T S. Plants. T E R R E S T R I A L. Terrestrial plants. P L A N T S. Terrestrial plants. And what do you mean by terrestrial plants? The plants that grow on land are called the terrestrial plants, like mango tree, neem tree, etc. grow on land and they are called the terrestrial plants. Okay. So the plants that grow on land are called the terrestrial plants. The plants, T-H-E, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S. The plants that grow on land, that T-H-A-T, that grow, G-R-O-W, grow on, O-N, grow on lands are called the terrestrial plants, L-A-N-D, land. So the plants that grow on land are called the terrestrial plants. For example, mango tree, banyan tree and rose plant, money plant, so etc. are grown on land, so they are called terrestrial plants. Okay. So the plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plant. Example, rose plant, we discussed, etc. grow on land, so they are called terrestrial plant. So terrestrial plants means the plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. So the spelling T E R R E S T R I A L. Terrestrial plants. P L A N T S. Terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. And the second one, that is aquatic plants. A Q U A T I C. Aquatic plants. P L A N T S. Aquatic plants. And aquatic plants are also known as water plants because the plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants, like lotus, water lily, etc. grow in water. So they are called aquatic plants. So aquatic plants means plants that grow in water. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants that, T-H-A-T, that grow in land, G-R-O-W, grow in I-N, land are called aquatic plants. So the plants that grow in land are called aquatic plants. So the aquatic plant is also known as water plant. W-A-T-E-R, water plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, water plants. Okay. So the plants that grow in land are, the plants that grow in water. The plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants, so they are called water plants. Example, lotus, water lily, etc. So the first one is terrestrial plants. Again, spelling T E R R E S T R I A L. Terrestrial plants. P L A N T S. Terrestrial plants. Drawing in the desert. D-R-O-W-I-N-G. Drawing in the desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert are called desert plants. So what do you mean by desert plants? Plants growing in the desert are called desert plants. And next one, mountain plants. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Mountain plants. So what do you mean by mountain plants? Plants growing in the mountain is called mountain plants. Plants growing in the mountain. Plants growing. G-R-O-W-I-N-G. Growing in the mountain. Are called mountain plants. Okay. So desert plants, plants growing in the desert are called desert plants, and mountain plants means the plants growing in the mountain are called mountain plants. So these are the main four groups according to the habitat. Okay. So the first one, so on the basis of sizes, plants can be classified into 5 types, and they are trees, shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs, and herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs, and climbers, C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers, and creepers, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. And on the basis of habitat, plants are mainly up to 4 types, and they are terrestrial plants, T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L, terrestrial plants, P-L-A-N-T-S. Then aquatic plants, A-Q-U-A-T-I-C-P-L-A-N-T-S, aquatic plants, and aquatic plants is also known as water plants. Then desert plants, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert plants, D-L-A-N-T-S. Then mountain plants, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N P-L-A-N-T-S, mountain plants. Okay. So on the basis of sizes, plants are classified into 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. And on the basis of habitat, plants are classified into terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, desert plants, and mountain plants. So you write the spelling of these words 10 times in your class book and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. So the next portion, that is parts of a plant. So what plants are? 2 main parts, and they are root and shoot. So let us see which are the parts of a plant. So our next topic is parts of a plant. So plants have 2 main parts, and they are Okay, if you consider a plant, then the part that grow under the soil is called a root. Under the soil is called a root, and the part of the plant that grow above the soil is called a shoot. And a shoot has many parts like leaves, fruits, bud, then stem, branches, etc. Okay, so a shoot is the part of a plant which grow above the ground, and the part of the plant which grow below the ground is called its root. Okay. Here in your textbook, page number 137, you can see a picture which shows the parts of a plant, and here the part of the plant which grows above the ground is called a shoot. So this is the part that is called a shoot, and the part of the plant that grow below the ground, that is under the soil, is called a root. And a shoot has many parts, and a shoot has stem, leaf, fruit, flower, then bud, etc. So these are the parts of shoot: stem, leaf, fruit, flower, and the part that grow below the soil is known as roots. Okay, and roots fix the plant in the soil, and the stem gives support to stand straight. And here the root is an important part which fixes the plant firmly in the soil. So these are the parts of the plant. So all the plants have two main parts, roots and shoot. And the roots have different parts, and the different parts of a shoot has different parts, and the different parts of a shoot are stem, leaf, fruit and flower. Then we use and we eat the roots of some plants like carrot, radish, turnip, etc. And we also eat the parts of different parts of a plant. Okay, so the parts of a plant have two main parts, and they are shoot and root. And the shoot means the plant part of a plant that grow above the ground or above the soil, and the part of its plant that grow below the soil or under the soil is called the root. Then a shoot has many parts, and the different parts of a shoot are stem, S-T-E-M, stem, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, then flower and fruit, seed, etc. Okay, so these are the parts of a plant. So you take your textbook 137, page number 137, and look at the textbook and listen carefully. Parts of a plant. All plants have two main parts, shoot and the roots. And the first one, shoot. The shoot is the part of a plant that grows above the ground. Stem along with branches, leaves, flowers and fruits make up the shoot of a plant, which means parts of shoot are flower, fruits, leaf, stem and branches. Fruits of a plant contain seeds. So there are seeds inside fruits. When seeds are sown, they grow into new plants. So the part that grow into a new plant, that is seed. The seed of a plant grow into a new plant. Then roots. Root is the part of a plant that grows under the ground, under the soil. Roots fix the plant in the soil. Carrot, radish and turnip are some of the root that we eat. So these are the parts of a plant. And we get many things from plants. So plants are very useful for us. We get many things from plants. Like we get clothes, medicines, etc. from are also we get oxygen from plants, and plants also gives us shade. Okay, and here what do plants gives us? So plant gives us many more things. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is an essential gas and we need to breathe. So the plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Then the plants gives us wood for making houses and furniture. So we need wood for make furniture and the materials. So we get wood from plants to make furniture. And plants gives us medicine. Some plants gives us medicines. Then plants gives us oil, rubber, paper and perfumes. So the paper is also made from plants. Okay. And plants give shelter to many birds and animals. Plants are the home of many birds and animals. They build their nest upon the trees. Then plants gives us shade. Then plants gives us fiber to make clothes. Yes, we get cotton fiber from cotton plant, and we make cotton clothes by using cotton fiber and which get from plants. Plants give us spices that add taste to our food. They give us many spices to make food. Most of our food comes from plants. Yes, like fruits, vegetables, etc. This also comes from plants. So like that, plants gives us many more things. Then the next one is food from plants. We get different types of food from plants and we use different parts of plants as our food, like roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds. Okay, so we get food from different parts of the plant. So we get food from which of the parts? Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, etc. Food from plants. So we get food from different parts of plants like roots, stem, flowers, then fruits, leaves and seeds. So we get food from root of a plant and we get food from roots of a plant. And which types of food that we get from roots? Yes, the food that we eat some roots of roots and the plants like radish, turnip, carrot, that carrots store food in their roots and that we eat. So example, radish, carrot, turnip, etc. And we also eat stem of some plants because some parts of some plants store their food in their stems so that we use for eat. Okay, and examples are ginger, potato, sugarcane. Ginger, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato, sugarcane. Then we get food from the part like leaves, like cabbage, spinach, etc. Leaf, example, cabbage. Cabbage, spinach. Then food from flowers. Flowers like cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Flowers, example, cauliflower and broccoli. Fruits are apple, grapes, tomato, mango, etc. Then seeds, we eat some seeds like wheat, rice, almonds, corn, etc. So seeds are almond, corn, wheat, rice, etc. Okay. So you take your textbook and the page number 138. So these are the parts of the different plants that we use as our food. So lesson 2 is over and this is our exercise portion. And before that, I just read the textbook. Take the page number 138. Food from plants. Do you know that we get food from different parts of the plant? The first one is roots. We eat some roots for food. Plants like turnip, radish and carrot store food in their roots that we eat. Then stems. We eat some stems of plants for food. Some plants like ginger, potato and sugarcane store food in their stems. We eat some of these stems. Then leaves. We eat some leaves for food. Leaves of plants like cabbage, spinach and mint store food that we eat. Then flowers. We eat some flowers like cauliflower, broccoli etc. for food. Then fruits. We eat some fruits like apple, mango, grapes, etc. for food. Then seeds. We eat some seeds like wheat, rice, corn, almond, walnut, etc. for food. So we just go to your exercise portion and take the page number 139. And here's the portion. Tick the correct answer. Which one of these plants is a climber? Which one of these is a climber? Climber is a plant which needs about to stand straight. And here the answer is grapes. So you tick this column. Grapes. Then the second question. What will we call a neem plant? And a neem plant is a tree. So option C. Then third one, which part of the plant grows under the ground? The part of the plant that grows under the ground is root. So option B. Then which part of a plant that grows into a new plant? Which part of the plant that grows into a new plant? Seed. Then fill in the blanks. First question, plants have two main parts, the roots and the shoot. S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Then the second question, the stem of a big tree is called a trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Then small plants with green and soft stem are called herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Then lotus is an aquatic plant. A-Q-U-S-T-I-C, aquatic plant. Then dasha, small plants with weak stems running along the ground, and it is creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. Then to answer the following questions and the answers will be sent to your WhatsApp. And here part D, match the pictures with the plant. Parts 2, which they belong by drawing lines. And tomato. Tomato is a fruit. So match with fruit. And second one, broccoli. Broccoli is the part which is flower. And radish is which part of the plant? And this is the root. And next one, mango. Mango is a fruit. And almond. Almond is the seed. Then sugarcane. Sugarcane is the stem of a plant. So these are the answers of match the following questions in your textbook. And the answer the following questions, that answers will be sent to your WhatsApp. So you read the textbook more and more times, and the text reading is very important. So our lesson 2 is over, and in this chapter we studied about plants around us and different types of plants according to their sizes and according to their habitat. So on the basis of sizes, plants can be classified into 5 types: trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. And according to the habitat, plants can be classified into terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, desert plants and mountain plants. And next we discussed about parts of a plant. All the plants have two main parts, shoot and root, and the part of the plant that grow above the ground is called the shoot, and the part of the plant that grow below the ground is called the root. And the shoot has many parts like leaf, fruit, flower, stem, seed, etc. And a seed grow into a new plant. These are the things that we discussed in our lesson 2. So you read your textbook more and more times, and if you have any doubts, ask me, and do your homeworks properly and send to my WhatsApp, okay, and study well. So today let's wind up our class, and we will meet with another class on next day. Okay students, study well, have a nice day. Thank you.